Central Monday morning rail. 15 cars and 15 restless riders, 3 conductors and 25 sacks on bail.